Hello students, in this video we are going to see the construction of tangents to a circle when angle between them is given. Between the two tangents angles, if angle is given, how to construct. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 3 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 45 degree. That a pair of tangents we are going to construct, no, both between them, between the tangent, the angle will be 45 degree. The tangents are inclined to each other at an angle 45 degree. So let's see how to construct. First let's draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Let's draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Okay, so let's name the center O, and we need to make a tangents the inclining by angle 45 degree. So here let's draw a diameter. Let's name the diameter A B. AOB is a diameter, and here 45 degree only given, no? So here we need to construct angle 45 degree. So on O, first let's construct 90 degree, taking the base OB, or even you can take the base OA also. Taking OB, let's construct first 90 degree, then we'll bisect, then we can get 45 degrees. So let's construct 90 degree first. So to get the 90 degree, we draw a long arc, the arc intersecting the OB at a point. From the point we are making another arc, and again from this arc intersecting point we get another arc. This is 60 degree, this is 120, between 120 we get 90 degree. Then just I keep a point here. This is when you make a line, no, this is 90 degree. I am not going to make a 90 degree, 45 degree only. So this point only 90 degree. So here just approximately let's name this X and this point Y. Now angle XOY make 90 degree, but we are going to make 45 degree only given. So bisector of this XY length, let's make bisector of this 90 degree by taking more than half. It is already more than half only. From here one arc, that is bisector we are making, bisector of 90 degree. So here we get, no, this is 45 degree. So let's name this C. Now angle BOC is 45 degree. Angle BOC 45 degree. So on a line, angle at a line 180 degree. So now if this angle 45 degree, what about angle AOC? 180 minus 45. 180 minus 45, 135 degree. Is it? This one 135 degree. So angle AOC 135 degree. So now just we are leaving this part. Okay, now we are taking the point A and point C. Take the point A and point C, and we are going to construct 90 degree at point A as well point C. Sorry. First let's construct. We are constructing 90 degree. Now we received arc intersecting. Now let's join this point A and that 90 degree. Let's extend it like this. Then likewise we need to construct a 90 degree on C. Here we have constructed 90 degree on A having the base OA. Now we need to construct a same 90 degree from point C taking base OC. So we received intersecting point from here. Sorry. Okay, now let's join this point C and this 90 degree arc we received. No, let's join it and extend. See this, from C we drew a line, no, that ray, and this one from A, both are intersecting at a point. Both are intersecting at a point. So let's name this point as D. So now the required tangents are DA and DC. How? AOCD is a quadrilateral. AOCD is a quadrilateral four-sided polygon, and this angle we know 135 degree at O, that is angle AOC is 135 degree, and angle A 90 degree. Is it? We only constructed perpendicular, and here also 90 degree. So in a quadrilateral, sum of the angles of a quadrilateral, angle sum property of a quadrilateral 360 degree. Is it? So 90 plus 90, 180 plus 135. 180 plus 135, 280, then 315. Is it? 315. So the total sum of the angles in a quadrilateral 360. So 360 minus 315. How much do we get? We get 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree. And what did we say, that the which are inclined? The question, no? The tangents inclined, between the tangents 45 degree we will get, inclining at each other at an angle 45 degree. So this DA, the tangent DA and the tangent DC inclining each other at angle 45 degree. So to confirm, let's measure and see whether are we getting 45 degree or not. Yes, we get correctly 45 degree. Here we are getting 45 degree. Even if you check like this way also, we get correctly 45 degree. Exactly 45. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 degree.